Are you struggling to find the perfect DJI drone that suits your needs? With so many options on the market, from camera quality to flight time, choosing the right one can be daunting. We've done the hard work for you, rigorously testing numerous models to curate the definitive list of the top 5 best DJI drones to elevate your aerial photography and videography. Join us as we break down their key features and essential factors to consider, ensuring you make the best choice for your drone adventures. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mavic Air Fly More. The DJI Mavic Air Fly More is a standout choice among DJI's drone offerings, delivering a compelling blend of portability, advanced features, and robust performance tailored for both enthusiasts and professionals. Its sleek Arctic white design highlights its lightweight build, weighing just 15.17 ounces, and boasting compact dimensions of 11.3 by 7.76 by 7.33 inches, making it exceptionally portable for travel and outdoor excursions. Key to its appeal is the 3-axis gimbal-stabilized camera, capable of capturing breathtaking 4K video and detailed 12-megapixel photos with exceptional clarity and stability. This feature ensures smooth, professional-grade footage, perfect for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts looking to capture stunning imagery from the sky. Connectivity options include USB and Wi-Fi, facilitating seamless data transfer and firmware updates for enhanced functionality over time. Its GPS and vision-based navigation system further enhance flight stability and precise location tracking, ensuring reliable performance in diverse environments. The drone supports SD media and accessories available in the Fly More combo, which expands its operational capabilities and flexibility. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic Air Fly More sets itself apart as an exceptional choice for those seeking the best in DJI drones. Its combination of advanced camera capabilities, stable flight performance, and compact design makes it an ideal companion for capturing high-quality aerial images during travel, outdoor adventures, and professional projects. Number 4. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 stands out as a flagship model among DJI's lineup of drones, combining state-of-the-art technology with user-friendly features tailored for aerial photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. Equipped with dual cameras featuring a high-resolution 48-megapixel sensor, it excels in capturing stunning 4K HDR video at 60 FPS and detailed 48-megapixel still images, ensuring exceptional clarity and color accuracy in every shot. One of its most impressive features is the extended 46-minute flight time on a single charge, setting a new standard for drone endurance and allowing for extended aerial photography sessions without interruption. This capability is complemented by advanced obstacle avoidance sensors that provide comprehensive protection in all directions, enhancing safety during flight in complex environments. The DJI Air 3 utilizes a robust 6-antenna system for stable and reliable 1080p at 60 FPS video transmission over distances of up to 20 kilometers, ensuring smooth real-time video streaming and precise control even in challenging conditions. This capability not only enhances the pilot's situational awareness, but also supports applications such as live broadcasting or professional cinematography. Designed with user convenience in mind, the drone features intuitive flight modes like Active Shots 360 degrees for dynamic subject tracking and various creative shooting options, making it versatile for capturing diverse aerial perspectives with ease. Compliance with FAA remote ID regulations and a one-button return function further simplify operations and ensure compliance with aviation guidelines. In summary, the DJI Air 3 distinguishes itself as a top-tier drone choice, delivering exceptional image quality, extended flight endurance, and robust safety features in a compact and user-friendly design. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 stands out as a flagship model among DJI's impressive lineup of drones, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features tailored for both novice and experienced drone pilots. Boasting a compact yet robust design, it features a powerful camera system capable of capturing stunning 48-megapixel photos and smooth 4K at 60 FPS video, facilitated by its advanced 1 to 2-inch CMOS sensor and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Flight performance is exceptional, offering up to 34 minutes of flight time per battery charge, and enhanced safety features like obstacle sensing in 3 directions. This makes it ideal for capturing dynamic aerial shots with ease and confidence, even in challenging environments. Intelligent shooting modes such as Spotlight 2.0 and Active Track 3.0 automate subject tracking and camera movement, ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage without requiring extensive piloting skills. The drone's OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology supports reliable video streaming at distances of up to 10 kilometers, ensuring clear and uninterrupted communication between the drone and controller. Compatibility with the DJI Fly app enhances user experience by providing intuitive controls and access to advanced features, making it easy to capture, edit, and share high-quality aerial content directly from a mobile device. Included accessories like multiple intelligent flight batteries, low-noise propellers, and a shoulder bag further enhance the drone's versatility and convenience for on-the-go shooting sessions. Its compact size and 1080p live streaming capability cater to both recreational users and semi-professionals looking for a portable yet powerful drone solution. Overall, the DJI Mavic Air 2 excels in delivering exceptional image quality, robust performance, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals seeking a reliable and versatile drone for capturing breathtaking aerial imagery. Number 2, DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 drone is a top-tier option for adults seeking high-quality aerial footage. Available in a sleek black design, this drone captures stunning 4K video and comes equipped with essential components such as propellers, a gimbal protector, a battery, a USB Type-C cable, and a camera. Weighing 1.08 kilograms, it utilizes micro SDXC for storage and supports Wi-Fi for seamless wireless communication. Its lithium-ion battery ensures reliable power for extended flight times. This model stands out with DJI USA authorization, offering a comprehensive full USA warranty and a 2-year CPS extended warranty. The DJI Avata 2 enhances the flying experience with intuitive motion control, making it user-friendly even for beginners. It excels in performing acrobatic maneuvers and capturing immersive POV content. With a maximum flight time of 23 minutes and PD fast charging support, this drone is designed for both thrill and convenience. The DJI Avata 2's advanced features include a 155 degrees field of view, and a 1 to 1.3 inch image sensor, delivering ultra-sharp 4K at 60 FPS video, and a unique perspective. The integrated propeller guard enhances durability and safety, allowing for versatile and confident flying in various scenarios. Measuring 8.3 inches in length by 7.3 inches in width by 2.5 inches in height, the drone combines advanced technology with practical design. In conclusion, the DJI Avata 2 drone stands out as one of DJI's premier offerings for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. Its sleek black design, 4K video capture, and intuitive motion control make it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned drone users. Number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro drone represents the pinnacle of DJI's commitment to innovation and user-focused design, offering a comprehensive solution for both novice pilots and seasoned professionals. Engineered with extended flight time, long-distance control capabilities, and advanced obstacle avoidance technology, it ensures effortless and safe aerial operations in various environments. Central to its appeal is the high-resolution 4K video capture and 48-megapixel still photography capabilities, delivering stunning aerial imagery with exceptional clarity and detail. Features like auto-follow and one-button return simplify flight control, catering to users of all skill levels and enhancing overall ease of use. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and USB, enabling seamless data transfer and firmware updates to keep the drone optimized with the latest features and enhancements. Real-time video transmission further enhances user experience by providing immediate visual feedback during flights. Safety features, such as omnidirectional obstacle sensing, reinforce its reliability by actively detecting and avoiding obstacles in its flight path. This capability ensures peace of mind and enhances safety, particularly useful for beginners and when navigating complex environments. Whether for capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action shots, this drone excels in providing professional-grade results with ease. Ideal for enthusiasts and professionals alike, it sets a benchmark for portable drones promising reliability, versatility, and outstanding image quality in every flight. In summary, the DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out as a top-tier drone choice, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features to deliver exceptional performance in aerial photography and videography. Our exploration into the top 5 DJI drones showcases a diverse range of innovation and reliability in aerial photography. From the compact and feature-rich DJI Mavic Air to the flagship DJI Mini 4 Pro, Each model offers unique attributes designed to enhance your drone adventures. The DJI Mavic Air 2 impresses with its powerful camera and intelligent shooting modes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, these drones, including the DJI Air 3 and DJI Avata 2, promise to deliver exceptional performance, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro excels in portability and extended flight capabilities, capturing stunning aerial imagery, transforming your aerial photography into extraordinary adventures.